Have you noticed how motivational quote channels and short micro story pages are everywhere right now, and they're growing insanely fast? That's because people love bite-sized content that hits quick and makes them feel something. But here's the catch. Creating that much content consistently can feel overwhelming and impossible. What if I told you there's a smarter way to do it? A way to create 100 engaging shorts in just 15 minutes. Sounds crazy, but with the right mix of AI tools, it's completely doable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to combine ChatGPT and Canva to generate dozens of posts efficiently. Whether you want to start your own micro story or motivational channel, or just fill your content calendar without burning out, this workflow will help you turn one idea into 100 ready-to-publish videos, all using just ChatGPT and Canva, and of course, some creative strategy. Let's start with ChatGPT. Open a new chat and type this simple prompt. Write 25 one-line microstories for short-form videos about productivity and work. 25 one-line microstories about finance awareness. 25 one-line microstories about health and fitness. And 25 one-line microstories about being grateful to Mother Earth and nature. Each story should be between 3 to 10 words long. Output as a 4-column list, numbered from 1 to 25 for each column. You'll see ChatGPT generate a clean list of 100 catchy one-liners, the kind that instantly grab attention in short-form videos. Once it's done, copy the entire list. Make sure the format is clean and numbered properly, so it's easier to paste into the next step. Now copy that list into Google Sheets or Excel. Each column represents a theme: productivity, finance, fitness, and gratitude. Save the sheet as a CSV file. This will be your base data for Canva. If you see any extra numbering or spacing, don't worry. Quickly use Find and Replace to remove unwanted numbers, or use Trim Whitespace to clean it up. Once the list looks tidy, rename the file something like MicroStories 100. This will help you find it easily when we move to Canva. Next, let's export this data. Go to File, click Download, and download as CSV, which is comma-separated values. This will download your file in a format Canva understands. Time for the fun part. Next, open Canva and head to Canva's homepage and click on Create a Design. Choose the mobile video option. This vertical format works perfectly for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikToks. Add a text box where your story will appear and keep the design clean and simple. Remember, clarity scroll stops more than clutter. You can use Canva's AI tools, such as Magic Media, to generate animated backgrounds that match your themes. For example, calm forest animation for gratitude, or busy workspace for productivity. The goal here is minimalism: one line, one animation, one emotion. Start with a clean background, black, gradient, or whatever fits your style. Add one text box in the center. This will display each storyline we generated earlier. Keep the text big, bold, and centered. Add a small watermark or your logo at the bottom corner. This single page will serve as your master template for 25 videos. You can also add simple background motion, something subtle like a looping abstract animation or soft gradient movement. The goal is to make it dynamic, but not distracting. Once your template looks good, move to the next step: bulk create. Now comes the real magic: Canva's Bulk Create feature. Click on Apps in Canva's sidebar and search for Bulk Create. Once you open it, you'll see two options: upload a CSV file or paste data manually. If you have downloaded the CSV earlier, click Upload CSV. Choose your file, and Canva will automatically detect the column name story. If you prefer the copy-paste method, click Paste Data, then paste your entire list of 100 stories from Google Sheets. Canva will instantly load them as individual entries. I'm going to upload my CSV file here and wait for a moment. Now map the column story to your text box by right-clicking on Text Box and click on Connect Data. It will take a few seconds. Then click Generate Designs. And just like that, Canva creates 25 new pages, each with a different story. You can see them populate in your project timeline one after another. The cool part is that you don't have to stick with the same template for all 100 micro stories. You can create a few variations, maybe a different background animation, font style, or text animation to make your feed more dynamic and visually interesting. And if you want to go ultra efficient, you could actually generate all 100 microstories at once in ChatGPT and use the same template for all in Canva Bulk Create. It's really up to you. Either batch everything in one go or break it into smaller sets for more creative control. Either way, the system scales, and that's the power of AI plus smart workflow. Before exporting, do a quick review. Set each page duration to around 6 seconds. That's a perfect pacing for shorts. Apply a simple text animation like typewriter or fade, then preview a few pages to make sure the text is centered and legible. If any story wraps weirdly, slightly reduce the font size or line spacing for all pages. Once you've reviewed everything, click on Share and go to Download. Select file type as MP4 video. Make sure to check the box to download short videos as individuals. Then hit Download. Before you hit Download, you can also choose the quality of your video. By default, Canva gives you HD clarity. That's 1080 pixels, which works perfectly for YouTube Shorts and Reels. But if you're using the Pro version, you can even export in crisp 4K. And honestly, Canva Pro unlocks a ton of powerful features, from premium elements to background removers and AI tools. But here's the good news. Even if you're on the free plan, you can still create standout videos. It's less about the version you use and more about how creatively you use what's available. That's the real hack. Alright, so depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. You'll get a single zip file with all your shorts separated. Congratulations! You just batch produced a full month of motivational, finance, fitness, and gratitude shorts with one prompt and one workflow. To make your shorts more engaging, you can add music or sound effects either inside Canva or during post-production. For background music, pick something minimal and copyright-free from YouTube Audio Library. Keep the volume low so it doesn't overpower the text. You can also add subtle whoosh or pop sounds for emphasis when the text changes. These small touches dramatically boost viewer retention. And that's it. You've just created 100 ready-to-post shorts in under 15 minutes using nothing more than ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and Canva. One prompt, one upload, and you've got a month's worth of content ready to go. Now, here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about making shorts. It's about building a system that keeps you consistent without burning out. Because in the Shivs Lab, we don't chase trends, we engineer them. So if this sparked an idea for your next channel, hit that like button and drop a hashtag made with AI in the comments. And remember, tools don't create results, systems do. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe and comment below what niche you're going to test this method in first.